Let's talk about cryptocurrency, the wild world where fortunes are made and lost in seconds. You've heard the stories, meme coins, overnight millionaires, and a market that feels like a digital casino. But beneath the chaos and hype, there's a hidden layer, a high-speed game run by shadowy firms you've never heard of. These aren't YouTube influencers, they're tech wizards armed with supercomputers, quietly shaping the prices you see every second. Their secret weapon? High-frequency trading, or HFT. HFT lets them make millions of trades in the blink of an eye, exploiting tiny price differences invisible to regular investors. It's a financial arms race, and these players are the superheroes or supervillains of crypto. Tonight we're pulling back the curtain on how HFT secretly runs the crypto show. Buckle up, this gets weird. So, what is high-frequency trading? Imagine buying a comic for $10 and selling it for $11. Now do that a million times a second. HFT uses ultra-fast computers and algorithms to spot and exploit tiny price gaps across exchanges. Speed is everything. Firms pay big money to put their servers right next to exchange servers, a practice called co-location. This gives them a microsecond edge, which is all it takes to win or lose millions. Forget traders yelling on phones, these are emotionless algorithms trading at inhuman speeds. They scan for price discrepancies, execute trades, and repeat, relentlessly. The result? A market where machines battle for every fraction of a cent. And when these financial terminators collide, kan po feng tem yudembro, and then done furds income verde. Consequences can be huge. Welcome to the fastest game in finance. Now, meet the market makers, the oil in the engine of crypto. Their job, always be ready to buy or sell, ensuring you can trade anytime. They quote two prices, a bid to buy and an ask to sell, making money on the tiny gap between them, the bid-ask spread. It sounds small, but with HFT, they do this millions of times a day across hundreds of coins. Market makers keep the market liquid and stable, acting as essential service providers. But with great speed comes great power and temptation. When you can move faster than everyone else, the line between helping the market and exploiting it gets blurry. Are they heroes keeping things running, or villains gaming the system? In crypto, sometimes they're both. And that's where things get complicated. So, how do market makers turn tiny spreads into mountains of cash? First, arbitrage, instantly buying low on one exchange and selling high on another, thousands of times per second. Then, statistical arbitrage, algorithms spot patterns, like one coin rising just before another, and trade ahead of the curve. But there's a darker side, front-running. With their speed, HFT firms can see big orders coming and jump in first, buying up assets and selling them back at a markup. It's like a cashier, grabbing the last milk before you can, then selling it to you for more. This speed advantage lets them profit off regular investors, sometimes at your expense. When does providing liquidity cross the line into predatory behavior? That's the ethical gray zone of HFT and crypto, and it's a battle happening every second. Is HFT a force for good or a digital menace? On the plus side, HFT slashes trading costs and keeps markets liquid, making it easier and cheaper for everyone to trade. It absorbs big buy and sell orders, preventing wild price swings and attracting big investors. But there's a dark side. HFT can trigger flash crashes, where prices collapse in seconds before anyone can react. Regular investors can get wiped out by automated sell-offs or manipulated by ultra-fast traders. HFT also creates a two-tiered market, one for the ultra-fast and one for everyone else. The result? An uneven playing field where regular traders are always a step behind. If people think the game is rigged, trust erodes, and so does the market. HFT makes crypto more efficient, but also more unfair and fragile. It's a double-edged sword. This isn't just theory. HFT's impact is real. Take the kimchi premium Bitcoin traded higher in South Korea, and HFT firms exploited the price gap for risk-free profits. Or the infamous 2017 Ethereum flash crash, where a single huge sell order triggered a cascade of algorithmic selling. ETH dropped from $319 to 10 cents in seconds. HFT also enables shady tactics like spoofing, placing fake orders to trick the market, then profiting from the chaos. Regulators try to keep up, but it's a constant cat-and-mouse game. The story of HFT in crypto is one of automation, speed, and complexity. Markets are faster and more liquid, but also more fragile and predatory. The arms race for speed isn't slowing down. For regular traders, remember, you're not just up against other people, you're swimming with financial sharks. In crypto, the fastest win, and the rest just try to keep up.